Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Our good name is Geratech Interior Design. So thank you. If you have not subscribed, kindly make sure you have subscribed. Over here I'm going to present you a 5-bedroom house that you can see over here. So the main house is a 4-bedroom, and then the other 1-bedroom it's outside, of which you can call it like a servant quarter. So over here we have did this project that you can see over here. So this is I think this is the 4th month, if I'm not wrong. So over here we have this beautiful entrance that you can see over here. There are staircase. As you can see, we have not yet done. We are still on painting work, like you can see over here. I think on the next 2 days we will be finishing with our painting work. So guys, make sure you have subscribed if you have watched up to that video over there. So this is the external part of this house that you can see. This is the master bedroom, but I will show you inside when we'll reach there. So this is the pillars that we went with, and then this is another master bedroom window that we put 2 master windows so as to have a main maximum light penetration towards our house. So I'm going to let you towards the first outside servant quarter, the bedroom 1 that is outside. So over there, like you can see, we have even that staircase that you see over there. Like you can see, we did our external part on the windows to have like let's say like to catch those rainwaters to not fall on our windows. So this is the first bedroom, but it is an outside, you can call it a servant quarter. Like you can see guys, this is a massive outside a servant quarter that you can see. It has 2 windows. Like you can see the tiles, we have already done everything, painting work at the end. I think the painting work, it's just only that you can see that is we can call it a first coat, and then that is our door. It is a steel door, of which is a single door. We always use a double door on main entrance. So guys, let me take you back to the main entrance, the main house now, and then you see how amazing the quality work that we have done over here. So this is the pathway that you can use while communicating to the main house over there. So guys, subscribe kindly. I'll urge you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, then make sure you have done that notification bell, so as whenever you post this incredible content, will be the first one to be uploaded. This is the front porch. Like you can see, we have done gypsum work, painting through this house. Like you can see, we'll be using white color, be it on walls, be it on ceiling. So we just went with white, so it's a kind of like a classy. Our client like so much is like somebody who is so clean, so he wanted to suggested to have white. So this is the double door, the steel double door that I was talking about. We always put a steel double door at the entrance. So this is the front, this is the corridor. It has 3 corridor. So this is the first corridor, like you can see, that connects towards sitting room, dining, kitchen, and the other bedroom at the end of there. So this is the second corridor that connects towards the common toilet and the master. So I'm going to let you inside our first. This is our sitting room, or you can call it a lounge, of which is an opening towards our dining, like you can see here on our video. So guys, you can see how amazing this design of gypsum that we went with. Even we have provided the provision for the curtains to have like at least something that is so smart. So this is the ceiling design that we went with. Like you can see, it's just a simple. I wish you stay tuned until maybe next week or on Sunday. We will be doing our electrical part, and then I will show you how amazing electrical fitting that we'll be putting towards this house. It will be so beautiful. So guys, if you maybe have this, you want this plan, this house you want to be constructed to build this such a kind, you can just DM. So this is the partition that leads towards our dining. This is their dining room. Like you can see, we have even went with a very simple gypsum ceiling design that you can see over there, and then that is our serving window, like you can see, so as to communicate with the kitchen over there. So like you can see, we are almost almost let's say like 90% of our work. So guys, I'm going to let you first, I will let you towards the first bedroom, and then I will later come to the other door, of which that is the kitchen. So this is the first bedroom, of which I will be giving you the measurements of the entire house at the end of the video. So like you can see, it's even white, no much decoration like in terms of gypsum work. It's just a small circle at the center, and then the other side is just a flat ceiling design. We have done the provision for the electrical, like you can see, everything is almost ending. This is the window, like you can see, we have installed the window. The only thing that is remaining is grills, of which they are already on site. So I recorded this video early in the morning, but today in the evening, from morning to the evening, our laborers were on site to finish that the installation for the how do you call it, for those decorations. So I'm going to let you, this is the public toilet. As you can see, we have already done plumbing. The only thing that we didn't get is just a shower, but we have not connected water toward this end. So we have already done piping. So like you can see, we have not fitted the shower. The kind of look is expensive, not near our hardware store, so we opt to import, to buy it in Nairobi. So I'm recording this video while in Garissa. So that is the provision, like you can see over there. This is the hanger, and then like you can see, the tiles are simple, and then we have provided a plain sheet on the door. The plain sheet is to avoid the door from rusting, the water to spillage on it. So this is the second bedroom. Like you can see, it's of huge size. It is, like you can see, this is a massive project, like you can see on this. Then almost, I think the ceiling, like you can see, is almost the same. No much decoration in terms of ceiling. We just went with the round design only. And then like you can see, our window, our door, it's just of plain and so simple. So I'm going to let you towards the third I'm going to let you to the third bedroom. Like you can see, that is the design is of same, like you can see, in terms of ceiling design, is a circle in the center, and the entire ceiling to be flat. So like you can see, the painting is still going on the video. Like you can see, our workmanship are still on work. So I'm going to let you, this is our master bedroom. Like you can see, it has a welcoming entrance whenever you open the door. The ceiling design is just of so much, just this one is the only complicated thing that was here, like you can see. But after we just went with it, the owner suggested to have it is something that is huge and massive and so simple. So I've urged you to stay online, so as whenever we finish this electrical thing, we'll see how amazing it is. So a master bedroom is just quite huge. It's an ensuite, like you can see on our video, and the video is so huge. And then let me take you toward the how do you call it, the toilet. As you can see, the tiles are even white, the plumbing fittings are white, Arabic shower, it's white, everything is white. So this is a kind of a classy house that this owner suggested. Is someone, like, let's say someone like I've told you, is someone who is so smart, so he wanted to have everything to be looking white. So the ceiling design is of plain design, the plain one. So I'm going to let you outside this sitting room, this master bedroom, and then we went towards to, let's say, the kitchen, and then the outside room. So guys, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. We are on to 5k subscribers. I will be so grateful when we reach 5 5,000 subscribers. So this is the kitchen. Like you can see the entrance, it's so much giving. So I'm going to lead you towards the pantry. This is the pantry. As you can see, it's just quite big, and then we have provided a window for circulation towards whenever you have installed your storage things over here. So I'm going to give you the tour of this entire kitchen. Like you can see, we have done our wardrobes are, if they are so well arranged, the high level, the low level. Like you can see, we have already put the granites on the top of our low level. Even the partition for our fridge, like you can see, we have already fitted over there. Everything, I told you, this work is almost 90% finished. So this is the storage for our clients. Whenever it comes to storage, we have already sorted him, like you can see on our video. So this is our kitchen, the provision for our, let's say that is for cooker, and then that is the serving window that will be communicating towards the dining room, whoever will be using the kitchen on this. So that is the serving window, and then that, like you can see, that is the dining room over at there. So guys, I'm going to take you to the rear porch. As you can see, that is the exit porch over here. Over there, as you can see, it has only a single pillar, well built, well molded, are very well placed on this video, as you can see. And so make sure you have subscribed, like, share, comment, criticize us whenever you feel you have went wrong. So for more information, you can call 0746289667, 0746289667, and we'll be so grateful. So let's meet on the next video, God willing.